Hey ladies, how are you? I have got to show you this box. It's the first direct sales beauty brand to come out with a subscription box. OMG, I can't even talk. Let me see if I can share this really fast, really super fast. So, who am I? I am Ginger DiBernardo. I am a home business professional who absolutely loves helping women to feel more beautiful, more confident. And I also love to mentor them and help them to build their business while they create the future of their dreams. Every time I get off Facebook Live and come back, they've changed something. It's just all very different. What is in the box? Is this working? Hi Heather. So I'm working. Everything is changing on Facebook so much, I just can't keep up. What is in this beautiful black box? It's the first subscription box that a beauty brand has ever done, a direct sales brand, I should say. Oh my goodness. OMG. It has some cute little stickers. That is adorable. Let's see what this one says. It has a quote in it. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find your why, or find out why. Find out why. Mark Twain, cute little quote. My June Amaze box is what it says on this card. Every day should feel like Summer Friday. Amaze yourself. I love that. I feel like I have lipstick on my teeth because I just put a little bit on because I did not have any on yet today. Just a little bit of, are you ready? Look at this. This is how it comes. It says, amaze yourself. It kind of reminds me of that movie with Matthew McConaughey where she says, what does she say? What does she say where she wears the jewels and she says, frost yourself, amaze yourself. Okay, here we go. The little tissue, it's got some peachy tissue. Ooh, some more peachy tissue. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Ooh. It's got this amazing cream. This is a Tamano seed hand cream. Tamano seed is an incredible, I can't get the lid off, guys, but it's a full size jar, so you can tell how big it is. It's a body cream. I cannot get the lid off to show you the inside because I put a little oil on my hands before I got on. Cannot get the lid off. Oh, there we go. I got it. It's a full size. My glasses are not near, which is a really bad thing. 4 ounces. So the lid, it's got a little topper thingy here that just kind of pops off. Ooh! Oh my. It smells fantastic, y'all. Oh! Tamano seed and lavender. Who doesn't love lavender, y'all? Super healing, and that smells fantastic. Tamano seed is very, very healing, and so is lavender. I've used this before, and the lavender actually helps me to sleep. And this is a little mini bottle. This is Sotox. This is a firming, tightening, and brightening serum. I use it every day around my eyes, on my forehead, and through here. And I actually ran across a picture of myself the other day and literally had to double check because my forehead looked like this in the picture. And I wasn't doing that. It was just a plain picture looking like this. This Sotox has totally firmed up this area through here. Major. It has Sonji mushrooms, which is also a natural skin lightener. It helps with age spots. And there is an algae that I can never pronounce. Hi, Lisa. How beautiful lady. There's a seaweed, like a form of algae that I can never, ever pronounce. But that is what helps to tighten it. Sotox. Hello. Botox in a bottle, but it's safe for you. Not harsh chemicals. And lastly, this super cute mini lip color. This one is called Macaroon. I'll give you a little swatchy. Let's do a little swatch right here. Hi, Marianne. Thank you. That is Macaroon. Kind of a pinky, darker nude. I like to mix it with some pink to make it even more pink. But that's going to be long-lasting and a really great shade for someone with a little darker skin tone than me. But this is a big, popular shade. Macaroon is a great go-to for many, many ladies. So this box is $38, y'all. $38. That is incredible. The first direct sales beauty brand to have a beauty box. Every month, isn't that a nice shade, Mary? I like it. $38, and you get a minimum of $50 in products and a maximum of up to $100. This is the cream, because it's a full size, 4 ounces, and a little goes a long way. This is $36. This is, I believe this is 15 or 20. I can't remember exactly because it usually comes in like a kit. Mary Ann, I will message you, darling. I will message you and give you all the details. Elizabeth, honey, it's going to be back in 2 weeks. You don't want to miss it. This sold out. 10,000 sold out in like 4 hours. And then this is like 12. So 36, 46, 47, 48. This is almost a $60 value. Just these 3 products is almost $60. Yes, Marianne. Thank you for joining me, ladies. I'm going to go because I wanted to keep this a little bit short and sweet. That was so fun. Now I get to wait till next month and see what comes in next month's box. And thanks again for joining me. I'm going to go because I like to keep this short and sweet. Please share and tell your friends about this direct sales box because it's pretty fabulous. And what's really exciting is that I got to get one of the first ones, and you can get it too. Thanks again, ladies. Mwah. Bye.